are going to Beaumain to get my hair done. I think I'm just getting a blowout, perhaps a dusting. We wanted to film like a little blowout video, I think. I'm not quite sure, but I am going. It's so hot outside, let me tell you how much it is. I think it's 80 degrees. You're kidding, it's January. I'm very blessed to live in such a sunny area because I love being warm. I particularly love being like hot, like the feeling of being super hot. I know it's weird. I enjoy that feeling. I know most people don't. I'm going to get my hair done and I will take you guys with. I love going to the salon. My hair is so long and healthy, and I just did a video on how I style it usually because this is just like my normal hair, but I did a video on like how I style it and all of that in my last vlog, I believe it was. Tutorial. So we're recreating Kylie Jenner's, I'll put a photo up on the screen, but her like signature curls. We're gonna show you guys how we do it.
Alright, I'm using the Orbe dry texturizing spray. I just use this to kind of give a little bit of texture on her ends and so that the curls kind of look on better. I wrap the hair around and we're gonna go inwards for this style.
Oh yeah, because Kylie Jenner's curls are in.
It hold it so that it like kind of cools down a little bit and then release it.
So you don't pin it?
I'm not gonna pin this. Okay, okay. Because her curls are kind of loose.
So this is really easy. Everyone can do this at home. Yeah. So easy. I love curls. This front one, you're curling away from the face. Okay. These are the curls, and we have to wait for them to cool down. And then we're going, I think, to brush them out, but look how stunning, and everyone can recreate this at home with like that's a 1 1/4, right?
Yes.
1 1/4.
No, 1 1/4.
Wait.
It's the same. We're both stupid. It's the same.
Okay, 1 1/4. This is beautiful, guys. Oh, I just want to remind my future self, this is what I want for my wedding. So Sabrina, in the future, this is your wedding hair. This is the wedding. Because I don't want to forget. And I have the worst memory. This is beautiful. Guys, I'm going to put my hairstylist's Instagram, and she gets booked up all the time, like immediately. So if you want an appointment, gotta book quickly. Safe to say, Sharon killed it. She does the best job, you guys. And my hair is so incredibly healthy. I think it really matters who you go to get your hair done. If you guys are in the LA area, Beaumain Salon is like the best salon in my opinion in LA. They are incredible, and Sharon she does the best job ever, especially if you are brunette. She is a brunette specialist. I have a girlfriend going there right now because her wedding is coming up next year, this year, oh my gosh, because we're in 2026. So she is going to Sharon to like get her hair done now since her wedding's coming up too. And she just does an amazing job on brunettes. So I think definitely check her out. Does anyone else have a sick, smart sweets session? Because me and one of my best friends, we are obsessed with these. They're so good. I am going on a walk, and my favorite thing ever is to window shop and look at the new collections that the stores drop. You don't always have to actually go and shop. You can window shop, and it's so fun in my opinion, and I just love fashion and love looking around. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I might also get like a little drink or a little treat. It's gonna be my workout of the day since it's such a beautiful day that I just cannot justify staying in. first thing I got was some frozen avocado. I love adding this in my smoothies. It's so healthy. Next bag has my snacks. Crispy apple freeze-dried is my favorite. I always have this when I want a little snack. One of my best friends put me onto this popcorn. It's the lesser evil. I hadn't tried this like flavor, but it's really yummy. So I love popcorn. This is the only acceptable candy. Canyon Beechwood coffee. This is my favorite coffee. It's incredible, and my espresso machine is running low on beans, so I just stocked up on this. This has insane notes of caramel and milk chocolate. I always get fresh salmon. I eat pretty much mostly seafood for my protein. And then I got my two favorite cheeses. This is a 3-pepper Gouda. And I also always get Port Salute. If you've never tried this cheese, it's incredible. So I usually just stock up on some cheeses to snack on. Another snack, Emmy's Coconut Crunchums are my favorite. They're so good. I got a whole bag of persimmon. I probably eat like 2 of these in a day. I love a persimmon so much, and these are just my favorite fruit. I also got some kiwi. Kiwi has so many health benefits. I'm obsessed with kiwi. I picked up some green apple. When I make a fresh pressed juice, it's usually green apples with celery, and that is like my favorite go-to combination for juicing. I always get a bunch of celery for celery juice. I love celery, and juicing it is just my favorite. Harmless Harvest chocolate smoothie. I love anything coconutty, so 2 of these. I'm not really a big chocolate fan, but this actually looked really good, so I got 2 of these. And I also got 2 of them in the mango. Sometimes post-workout or before a workout, if I'm running out the door, I will do like a smoothie of some sort. And then I picked up my 2 favorite milks. So we have almond milk vanilla, and we have coconut milk as well. So this is for smoothies. This I'll sometimes use in a latte. One of my best friends and my sister, they're both dairy free, so I usually keep this one in the fridge for them, and then this one I use in smoothies. Couldn't find Maple Hill milk anywhere, so I ended up just getting this one, and hopefully it's really good as well. Every morning I do the easiest wellness breakfast. So I do a little bit of Greek yogurt and I mix that with honey until it's like fluffy. And then I do kiwi. Kiwi is amazing for you. And I add some more fruit and some granola, and it is so tasty. Anyone can do this, but I wanted to share it because you can even make this the night before, put a lid on it, and take it to work the next day. It's a health breakfast. It's so good for you and tastes incredible. This is the final bowl. So easy, so healthy. I just wanted to share in case you guys wanted some inspo for what to make for breakfast, because this is what I am having today. I need all the energy today. I have a lot of running around to do. So hi guys, I am at my vanity right now. I am doing some organizing. It's kind of a little messy. I just got ready for the day. I'm having honestly, my skin is just really dry. I think I exfoliate a lot. It's a part in my routine that is a necessity, really. Like with my skin, I have to exfoliate. So I use an exfoliating toner and I use an exfoliating serum. And I think because of that, my skin just happens to be drier. When I have dry skin, I really like this Sophie Pavitt face cream. It's very, very rich. So if you're looking for a super rich, thick cream that gives you glass skin, this one does, and I really love it. So I used that, which really helped calm down the dryness. I can't even explain to you how dry my skin was. It was really bad. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Fluid Sheer from Armani. This is it's a bronzer blush combo. It's literally in their bronze blush shade. The best way I can explain it is it brings your face to life a little bit, and I'm such a fan of this. It's my favorite. So I just put a little on the back of my hand and I use it to just finish off my makeup. So stunning. And sorry if you can't really see, I'm sitting in like really bright lights, but I'm hoping you can see. It just gives you like a really beautiful blush color. I'm obsessed with it, truly. I tried to get a really long vlog. It wasn't as long as I wanted it at all, and I wasn't talking a lot in it, which, like, I don't know if you guys like it when I talk more or talk less. There are also a lot of new people on my channel, so if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy all the videos and content. I love feedback from subscribers, so if you have something you want to see or if you have feedback, feel free to comment. Your guys' feedback and support, it means a lot to me. I was so busy this week. I am working on, I hate when people say this. I hate when influencers are like, I'm working on something and it's a secret. I am working on something, and it's something that I've been pouring all of my time and energy into that I will share with you guys within the next like few weeks. I will tell you. And I love having something. I think everyone needs to have something in their life that they are super passionate about. No matter what, this goes for everyone. Like, you have to have something that you are so passionate about in life. That is what makes life exciting. That is what makes you value yourself, is working to achieve your goals and putting effort into growing yourself as a person and working towards those goals. And so I really think everyone needs to have something that they're working towards. And I am currently working towards like literally one of my childhood dreams that I've always had, and I just can't wait to share with you guys. And I'm going to take you guys through the whole process with me, but since I'm in the earlier stages, I'm just gonna not give too many details until I can give more details. But I'm very, very excited for this chapter in my life. And I really, when I went to bed on New Year's Eve, by the way, I was in bed at like 9 on New Year's Eve. Like, I was ready to just go into the new year because I love a fresh start. I'm very much someone who loves a fresh start. I love Mondays. It's my favorite day of the week. I love a new year. Even though it's just an idea, like if you think about it, the new year is just another day. It's just an idea of the new year. But I really love the idea of that. And I went to sleep and I woke up with such a great feeling about 2026. And I was so excited to go into 2026. And sorry, I have a automatic like mirror next to me and it's like sensor, so it keeps turning on and off. But basically, I was so excited to go into 2026, and I just am so excited to share so many things with you guys this year and show you guys more bits and pieces into my life. Already, January has been such a great start for me. Knock on wood. It's been amazing, and I just cannot wait to see what the next couple months have in store. If you haven't written out your goals for the new year yet, I highly recommend you do it. It's not too late. Make a list of some goals and things that you want to manifest this year and start working towards them and putting your energy into doing positive things for yourself. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will be here with I'll try to do like a 30-minute vlog for this next vlog coming after this one, but I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. And again, if you're new here, because there are a lot of new people, welcome. And I'm so excited that you're here with me. And I can't wait to show you more glimpses into my life. I will be vlogging as much as I can the next couple of weeks.